What's up, guys? It's Lewis from Bit of Blade Co. Today I'll be showing you how I made this axe. So now I'm going to use a Dremel to smooth out the inside of the axe head. Okay, so a quick summary of what I just did. I used the angle grinder with a zip cut to cut out the chunks on the inside. And then I used the grinding wheel to clean it up, flap disc, belt sander a little bit, and then the sanding drums on the Dremel to get it clean. I fixed up the pommel a little bit. It's kind of boring, but fix up the top. Next step is going to be to thin out this edge a little bit. Not get it super sharp yet. I still have to hang it. I don't want to cut myself on putting it on the handle. And then I'm going to wire wheel the whole thing, see how I like to finish, and if not, I'll do something else. But yeah, it seems to be coming along nicely. I like how smoothed out that is. Looks pretty nice so far. Okay, so I wasn't going to sharpen this before I got the handle on it, but because how thick this is, I'm going to try to take some material off and get it down to a manageable thickness. Let me talk about this setup here. I'm able to tilt this belt sander all the way back. Let me show you. There we go. Left Lucy. All the way back as far as I want. I originally learned how to grind axes on a flat, like 4x30 whatever. So I would just grind like this. With knives, I go parallel. But now for axes, I like to go somewhere in the middle. So I feel like I can control it better if it's a little bit at an angle, and I can feel the blade and I can walk that edge down. I feel like with the parallel or the straight up and down, I can't get proper angle holding, so I think this is good. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the edge down, and once I take that edge down, I'm probably going to wire wheel the whole thing, and then grind the bevel, and then hang the head, sharpen it again, and I might just leave it at that with the belt finished bevel. Okay, let's get down to it. Okay, I like the finish that I achieved. It's nice and shiny. I mean, I like to accentuate the pitting a little bit. Looks good. Next I'm going to do the handle. Take it inside, do the handle. I'm going to leave the bevel kind of dirty right now because I still have to clean it up after I get the handle on. I hit it with 60 grit on the belt sander. After I'm done with the handle, I'm going to do... Or probably actually, after I'm done hanging the handle, I'm going to hit it with 120 and then the Trizac 400. Then I'll sand the handle and finish it with oil. It is definitely kicking along. Looks very nice. Alright, so I got the head just sitting on the top. It's kind of tight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to smash it on by hitting the end and holding it up. And then I can see where it sits, and then I could start shaving away. See what I need to do. Now that I got it on, and I can see how it's too tight, I can drive it off. Okay, finagling with it a little bit. This should be the last time I have to test fit. That's pretty solid. Ready for a wedge. Now, this handle's got this, I don't know what it is. It's either wax or a varnish on it, and I hate it, so I'm going to use this razor to scrape it off. But yeah, she came out really nice. I'm really proud of it. Please like, subscribe. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Peter Blako. I want to thank you for tagging along. I'll see you later.